motion sensor project. Okay, motion sensor project. This is motion sensor. You can see here. Here you can see two knobs are there, two settings, one sensor, another one is time sensor. Okay, here we connect for this. Okay, you can see we have made 1 kilo ohm resistor is used in this circuit and one LED 3 LED, and next we used one battery 9-volt battery, and this is battery cap. Okay, now start with the connection. Here in this motion sensor circuit, okay, 3 points are there. This is first point and the second, middle one, and last one is the third point. Okay, first point is connected to LED positive and negative is connected to a 1 kilo ohm resistor and 1 kilo ohm resistor to motion sensor second point. Okay, like this connection we make. Okay, here this is the first point. Connected to LED positive, from LED positive to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected to middle of the motion sensor circuit. The next positive of the battery is connected to third point of the motion sensor circuit. You can see, and negative of the battery is connected to motion sensor first point, means LED anode point. Now let's try the circuit, how it works. See here, LED is glowing. Like this motion sense the this circuit and LED glow, and when we goes from that area it will automatically off. Energy saving project we have made on our channel, you can see it.